Guys, welcome back to my channel Triple R Talent. Hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show the easiest way how to draw Elsa from Frozen step by step for beginners. So if you want to draw Elsa, so you have to follow all these methods what I'm showing in this video, as I'm drawing it step by step for beginners. And if you're feeling that video is too much fast, you can just pause the video and can follow all these steps. Guys, if you have any problem in drawing, you can just text me in comment section and I'll help you there. And guys, if you really like my art, so please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you can receive new art videos and shorts from my channel. And I'll say thanks to all my subscribers giving me good comments on my all arts, so thanks to all of them. And for more interesting and beautiful arts, don't forget to support me, please.